Good Wednesday morning, and potential tropical cyclone number 9 is forecast to become tropical storm Isaias later today. Currently located 5 miles south of Dominica and moving quickly to the west-northwest at 23 miles an hour. And right now, heavy rain, gusty winds impacting the Leeward Islands and will be spreading across Puerto Rico as we head throughout the day today. And then as we head into tomorrow, I could see this moving across parts of or just north of Haiti and Dominican Republic. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with the interaction there of the mountainous terrain. But then after that, right now the Hurricane Center is forecasting that it could be moving more northwesterly, possibly maybe across parts of Cuba or just north of there. As we head into the weekend, South Florida, we are still in that cone of concern, and we can't get caught up in the cone because the forecast cone only indicates where the center could be 2/3 of the time, and we all know that the impacts extend well out from the center of any tropical system. And at this point, although the forecast cone has shifted a little bit to the south and west in comparison to yesterday, remember the east side is usually the dirty side, right, where we see most likely the worst of the weather. So too soon to say, but at this time we should all be prepared. Obviously, we are in that cone, and even most of the state is in that cone as we head into late weekend and even into possibly early next week. Now, there are some environmental factors and hurdles that potential tropical cyclone 9 and possibly tropical storm Isaias will have to contend with. We've seen the Saharan dust lately here, and it's also across much of the Atlantic. So will that Saharan dust stay mostly to the north, or will it be a little more to the south and come into play when it comes to this system? Well, there's that, and there's some wind shear also that is forecast to be right around the Bahamas and near Florida as we get into the weekend time frame. The model's in agreement that it'll move west-northwest, but then as we head in through the Caribbean and after that, what happens? The models diverge, indicating that high level of uncertainty. So scenario 1, a medium chance we could be dealing with a tropical storm this weekend. Scenario 2, will it move a little bit more to the north and across the Bahamas and miss us? We still could see breezy showers. And scenario 3, medium chance the tropical storm stays to the south and continues moving a little bit more into the Gulf. Then we could still deal with windy showers. And we don't want scenario 4, but there is a slight chance that the tropical storm could strengthen into a hurricane before it reaches South Florida. Of course, we'll keep you updated, but tropical storm warnings and watches are in place for the Caribbean islands. In the meantime, there's that filtered sunshine due to the Saharan dust I mentioned from our Broward camera. It's been mainly quiet and dry except for isolated showers right now, some rain rolling into Gould and southern Dade County, and that's it. The breeze is out of the east, 5 to 7 miles an hour. Temperatures in the upper 70s, the low 80s. Highs will soar to the low 90s, and we'll see the chance for some inland storms. That hazy, hot, humid sky continuing. No advisories for boaters for lobster mini season. Seas 2 to 3 light chop on the bays tonight. The upper 70s and hotter the next few days. Highs near the mid 90s, and of course the weekend will all depend on the tropics.